This course will explain VMware vSphere concepts in a simple, clear, and easy to understand way with lots of visual aids and demonstrations. Now, if you need to administer a vSphere 6 environment or are looking to pass your vSphere 6.5 Foundations exam, this is the class for you. My name is Rick Cresci, and I've been a VMware Certified Instructor for years. I've delivered training to hundreds of students directly for VMware. This course digs deep into key vSphere concepts like storage, networking, and installing vSphere components. I'll also provide you with many real-life demos of common administrative tasks, and you'll strengthen the skills required to pass the vSphere Foundations exam. Now, you might be worried that this will be too complicated or that you won't understand the material, but I promise this will not be the case. This course is designed to have each lesson build on the concepts of the previous lesson, so that by the end of this class, you will be proficient on the foundational concepts of vSphere.